Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will learn about ternary operator in C language. It is also called as shorthand if. Why? Because it can also check a condition and based on a condition, it can execute a specific part of the program. It is called as ternary operator because it uses three operands. It is mostly used for single line operations. The syntax for using it is like a condition and then a question mark and then operation 1, then colon, followed by operation 2. If the condition is true, the operation 1 is executed, or else the operation 2 will be executed. Let's see this with an example program. In the VS Code, let me create a C program named ternary.c. I'm including the header file stdio.h. I'm creating the main function of the program. Within the main function, I'm declaring a variable int a equal to 10. In the next line, I'm adding a condition using the ternary operator. Here, in the condition part, I have given a is greater than 5 as the condition. For the true case, I have added a printf to display number is bigger than 5. I have to add it in between the question mark and the colon. And for the false case, I have added another printf statement. It will display the number is not bigger than 5. I have added in between the colon and the semicolon. Finally, I have added return 0 at the end of the main function. Now let's save the program, and to compile it, in the VS Code terminal window, type gcc space ternary.c and then press enter. And to run the program, in the same terminal window, type /a.exe. From the output, we can see 10 is bigger than 5 is displayed because the condition is true. Let me change the value of a to 4. Let's recompile and rerun the program. Now, from the output, we can see 4 is not bigger than 5 is displayed because the condition is false. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also, please subscribe if you are new to this channel.